In this video, I will show you how to enable automatic credentials for servers. This is useful so that I can allow the ConnectWise RMM NOC team to have remote access to the systems for troubleshooting and issue resolution based off the permission level you have approved for the NOC, without having to give them a password for each site. These credentials are dynamically generated and change regularly in the back end of the system. In this example, I want to set up automatic credentials for a pre-configured location. Before setting up automatic credentials, please note, it is highly recommended that a super admin configures this setup. Any other users with limited site permissions may have issues with configuration. For example, if a user only has permissions to 3 of the 10 sites, and they select the Apply to All Sites checkbox, it will only apply the settings to 3 of the 10 sites, and may cause confusion within your team. There are some prerequisites required before setting up automatic credentials for servers. The site must have NOC access levels 1 through 3. Automate credentials will not be applied to sites set to NOC access level 0. This can only be applied to Windows servers. If the agent is installed on a server, it will require a domain account if any of the following active roles are applied to the server: primary domain controller, or backup domain controller. Requires a local account for standalone servers. If the agent is part of Active Directory, the server must have access to the admin group in Active Directory. The Windows password policy must be set to require a minimum password age set to 0 days and a minimum password length set to 12 characters. To begin, I navigate to the ITS portal. I select Settings, RMM Setup, Sites using RMM, the site you wish to add automatic credentials for, and select the Support Access tab. In the Server section of the Support Access tab, select the Enable Automatic Credentials radio button. A username of NOC Help Desk will be pre-configured in the username field. Please note, if a user already exists with the name, the setup for configuration will fail. If you wish to set this user for all sites, check the Apply to All Sites checkbox. Click the Save button. I have reviewed how to successfully configure automatic credentials for servers. For additional information on this process, please check out the university documentation.